All right, guys, Chevy guy here. Got a 2019 Chevy Silverado Duramax diesel 2500, and never knew this about my truck, but there is something called fast idle, and you can engage it depending on if it's enabled on your truck from factory or not. Mine's is clearly. How it works is, as your truck is running, nothing is happening, right? Go ahead and step on your e-brake. Just barely get it to click. It click. Now come back up here to your steering wheel. What you're going to do is you're going to just click the set button, negative, and watch what happens. Fast idle on. Wow. That is crazy. Now, I'm not sure if that's going to help with an alternative to regen, but that is neat. I did not know that. So I figured I'd make it aware for everybody. If you guys have any other things that I should know about my truck, let me know in the comments. Thanks. Bye, guys.